Looking to boost your factory automation game? Then check this out. We're diving into the MVI56-MNETR module. This thing comes factory sealed, which is always a good sign. Knowing it's brand new gives you that peace of mind. The big selling point here is its Modbus TCP/IP connectivity. If you're working with industrial networks, you know how crucial reliable communication is. This module promises to bridge your Allen Bradley PLC with Modbus devices seamlessly. Think of it as a translator, making sure everyone's speaking the same language on the factory floor. Reeling, the company behind this, seems pretty serious about factory automation. They've got a team of engineers focused on this stuff, so you're not just buying a product, you're potentially tapping into their expertise. And the fact they encourage you to reach out with questions is reassuring. Now performance is key. While we can't crack open this sealed unit for a live demo, the specs suggest it's built for speed and reliability. Modbus TCP/IP is known for its efficiency, and this module should handle a decent amount of data throughput. The 1-year warranty is a nice safety net. It shows Reeling has confidence in their product. Let's be real, factory automation isn't the most glamorous topic, but it's essential for modern manufacturing. This MVI56-MNETR module looks like a solid piece of kit for anyone needing to integrate Modbus devices into their Allen Bradley PLC setup. The sealed packaging, warranty, and the company's focus on customer service all add up to a positive first impression. If you need robust Modbus connectivity, this could be a winner.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.